Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a burrito roll. First, lay your tortilla flat on a clean surface. Next, arrange your delicious fillings in a horizontal line, slightly below the center. Remember to leave about 2 inches of space clear on both the top and bottom edges of the tortilla. This initial setup is crucial for a tight, secure roll, ensuring all your ingredients stay perfectly contained. Now, let's secure those sides. Take the left edge of your tortilla and fold it inward over your fillings. Do the same with the right edge, folding it inward to meet or slightly overlap the first fold. This creates a neat package, preventing any filling from escaping out the sides as you continue to roll. It's a key step for a perfectly sealed burrito. With the sides tucked, it's time for the main roll. Grab the bottom edge of the tortilla and fold it up and over your fillings. As you do this, tuck that edge tightly underneath the ingredients, pulling back slightly to create tension. This initial, snug roll is vital for a firm burrito that holds its shape and doesn't unravel. Keep it tight. Finally, complete your masterpiece. Continue rolling the burrito forward, away from you, maintaining that consistent, gentle pressure you started with. Keep everything tucked in as you go. When you reach the end, the seam should naturally rest on the bottom, holding your burrito perfectly closed. Now you have a beautifully rolled burrito, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.